Hey everyone, today I'll show you how to turn snapshots into your personal vlog journal to capture a daily moments creatively. Let's get started. First, open a snapshot and film short clips of your day, morning routines, quick thoughts, or highlights. Keep them natural and authentic. Then here, save to memories. Instead of posting everything publicly, tap save to memories, and this keeps a private timeline of your vlogs that you can revisit anytime. Then create a story collections inside memories like travel, school, or work to organize entries and track your progress over time. And when you want, you can post highlights to your story or send them to close friends or for feedback and connection. And that's how you use Snapchat as your personal vlog journal. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more tutorials. Thanks for watching.